welcome back to my channel. This is Model Monday episode 20, and here I have Takom's 1/35 scale Panzer Kampfwagen 3 Ausführung M mit Skirtchen, so Panzer 3 Ausf M with the side skirts. So this kit was very kindly sent to me by Mr. Bacon from IPMS, and I really appreciate it, and it was sort of like an early Christmas present, so thank you very much. So first off is the upper hull. Now this is a Blitz kit, so it's supposed to be simplified, although there are a lot of parts, and it's very well detailed. Engine deck, very nice weld seams. Next we have the lower hull. So this is a bathtub style hull, the sides and rear, but the front is partially molded on. So again, nice weld seams, rivet details. Next is just a bunch of different metal pieces like the additional armor, the front, sides, lower front plate, and then exterior details like the tow ropes, antenna I believe right there, lights. Very nicely detailed. Here we have some turret parts. Turret mantlet, mantlet additional armor. Very nice detail. Here's the turret itself. This comes loose in a bag. Very nice weld seam details. And then it comes with this, again, in a bag, turret skirts. And then, once again in a bag, is this turret basket where the crew would put their stuff. Alright, next, we are going back down to the lower hull. Here are the wheels. We have 2 of these sprues. The wheels look very nicely detailed. They have little, what does that say? Continental, I believe. So that's the company that made the rubber. That's very cool. Drive sprocket, idler wheels, transmission ends, return rollers, all with very nice detail. Not sure what those things are. These are these things to put on the skirts. So 2 of those. And then for the tracks are link in length, so it's basically you get a bunch of different individual links, and then the separately molded lengths, so it's much easier to put together. And now these are, this does come with 2 of these sprues, and I believe, yes, so the length has sag details to go over the return rollers, which is nice, so you don't have to do it yourself. So 2 of those, and then the last 2 sprues, this one is just smaller details. Not entirely sure what these pieces are. And to finish off, we have the little pieces of skirting on the front of the turret, the sides rather. And that's it. So now for the photo etch. The skirts themselves are photo etched, so you can bend them and they're way more detailed, which is nice. The decals that come in the kit, there's not a whole lot of them, but they are what I think appears to be nicely printed, so it should come out well. So it looks like there's 3, possibly 4 different markings options. And now for the instructions. So this is a Blitz kit, so they say that it won't have very many parts. As per usual, starting lower hull suspension, putting wheels on, adding those lower hull details, lower front plate, track armor. Starting upper hull, instructions look very clear, so hopefully no issues with that. Adding tow ropes, extra wheels, hooks, stuff like that. Attaching the two parts of the hull together, tracks, and moving on to the turret doors, cupola, etc. Mantelet comes with gun details, so you can have the hatches open. That's nice. Putting the side skirts on the turret and then attaching the turret. Now for the marking guides. This one, hold on. These are 2nd Panzer Division, Kursk, July 43. This first one. Same, what is this? 6th Panzer Division in Kursk, same year. Interesting camouflage. I believe there's one. Nope, that is it. So these two camouflage schemes, as portrayed on the box. Very interesting. Some nice weathering will look great on this. Overview of all the parts. Not too many. Definitely something that you could get done in a day or two. Anyway, thank you very, very much to Mr. Bacon again. I really appreciate this. He also sent me a few weathering paints that I will be trying out on this kit once I'm done with my current kits, if I can ever get those done. I'm being held back by airbrushing because I can't really airbrush outside right now where I am. There's a lot of moisture in the air, so all those things are being held back by airbrushing. So anyways, hopefully I'll get this done soon, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.